The internet continues to provide new and innovative ways to start and grow your business. Whether you are looking to add another revenue stream, become your own boss, or simply work from the convenience of your own house, it provides you with a large and diverse customer base, efficient and cost-effective marketing channels. It also allows you to deliver your goods and services to customers hassle-free. There are several strategies you can use to make money from internet businesses. The best thing is that they are diverse and cater to just about any interest and activity out there. From content creation and creative services to selling your own merchandise, the internet makes it possible to achieve your dreams of making money from your own business. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. 1. Content creation. You might have heard the saying that in the world of online business, content is king. Well, the only reason you hear it so much is because it is true. If you are good at creating high-quality content, then there are a lot of people who are ready and willing to pay you to create content for them. 2. App development. Today people all over the world have smartphones, and this number will continue to grow. If you are a programmer and you have a knack for creating apps, then this is an opportunity you can tap into. By creating applications, especially those that help solve a problem, then you can sell or monetize your app. 3. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make some money from the comfort of your couch is to sell another company's goods and services for them. All you do is set up a website and create content that will draw in customers and encourage them to buy the products. You can also leverage your social media audience to increase sales. Remember, the more you sell, the more commission you will receive. 4. Sell your own goods. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Do you have a knack for creating stuff? All you need to do is create a website and start selling. Social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram also provide you with a great opportunity to sell. Just take pictures of your products, upload them and sell. 5. YouTube videos. Are you good on camera? Then you can create video content on YouTube. All you need is to create good content and upload it. You can cover anything from video tutorials to viral news. 6. Sell on Amazon. Another channel that you can use to great effect is Amazon. You can leverage their already customer base and distribution channels. The good thing about Amazon is that here you can sell normal household stuff and make a decent income without a huge investment. 7. Online courses. If you have experience or you are skilled at something and you feel like teaching is your passion, then you can do it online. From cooking to programming, there are lots of people out there willing to pay you to teach them a thing or two. As a writer, I have been able to move out of my parents' home and I'm on my way to financial freedom. The best thing is that I'm able to earn by creating content. The best thing is that I earn a living doing what I love most. As you can see, there are many ways to make money on the internet. The good thing is that unlike brick and mortar businesses, you do not need a huge investment, just a computer with internet connectivity and some willpower. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.